Hi, welcome to Hard Read Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, and now I'm gonna show you how to make this device faster. So firstly into open settings, then scroll down. I will enable light mode. So into open settings, then scroll down and find here battery and device care. And here you will see the storage, and here click on it. Okay, and here you will see how much space you have used. And I suggest you not to fill your internal storage over the 70% full. 70 point, it's maybe here, because when you will fill up, your device will start to slowing down. So just trust and try. If you have used over the 70% full, you just need to release the space to 70 point, and your device will be really faster. Cool. On the second step, to improve your system stability, you need to disable the power saving mode, because power saving mode is restricting the battery performance and the processor performance too. So in the battery saving mode, your device will work only on 70% of the full performance. Great. The next step, of course, if you have old device, if you're using this device during 4 or 5 years, maybe how you have old battery inside, and after years battery is starting to be slower, and it can't give to the processor and give to the memory, to the RAM, too much electricity power at the same time as they need. So sometimes it's very good decision to change the battery. Of course, if you have old device, if you have new device, you don't need to do it. If your device has only 1-2 years, 3 maybe. So it's after 5 years and older. So not now, because this is new device. Cool. Then the next step you can do is to open battery and device care again, and here find memory. And in the memory we have RAM Plus feature. I have enabled, and I have enabled 8 GB of RAM Plus. What is the RAM Plus is? RAM Plus is when your system using the small part of the internal storage, like a RAM, like a memory, okay? So it's really great decision to enable 4 or 6 GB of RAM Plus, because it just is great, because if you have games, for example, if you're playing, for example, Call of Duty Mobile, and you will close this application and you wanna, I don't know, watch a film in YouTube, for example. So Call of Duty Mobile needs to be opened in normal RAM, and your tablet will decide that this is a really big amount of data, and I wanna remove it from RAM. And when you will watch the film and when you will open Call of Duty Mobile again, it will reload the game, so you will need to reopen it. But if you will have RAM Plus, so Call of Duty Mobile will be stored in this RAM Plus storage, and in this way you will be able to use normally YouTube, other application, and then open back Call of Duty Mobile and start from the place you have closed it. Okay. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.